Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving deep into the world of skincare with a revolutionary facial cleansing solution,
the 4-pack face scrubber by JEXCULL.
Are you tired of lackluster skincare routines that just don't cut it?
Say goodbye to ineffective face washing and hello to the future of deep cleansing.
Let's talk about what sets this product apart.
Made from soft silicone, these facial scrubbers are gentle yet effective, ensuring a thorough cleanse without irritating your skin.
But wait, there's more.
With 2 different bristle designs in one pad, you can exfoliate, clean pores, and massage your skin for that radiant glow you've been dreaming of. But why stop there? These scrubbers are not only easy to use, but they're also easy to hold, thanks to the convenient finger handle.
Plus, their compact size makes them perfect for travel, ensuring your skincare routine stays on track no matter where life takes you. With glowing reviews like these, it's no wonder the 4-pack face scrubber is taking the skincare world by storm.
But don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference firsthand. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, stay clean, stay glowing, and stay tuned to Product Critique.